Are you struggling with TOEFL reading? Need practice fast? You're in the right place. The TOEFL reading section can be challenging. Time management is crucial. You have to read passages and answer questions quickly. Today, we'll dive into effective strategies to practice reading in just 1 minute. This will build your skills and speed. Let's get started. First, select a short passage. You can find one online or in a TOEFL practice book. Next, set a timer for 1 minute. This helps simulate real test conditions. Now, read the passage quickly. Focus on understanding the main idea and key details. After reading, summarize what you've learned in a few sentences. This practice reinforces comprehension. Once you've summarized, answer one question about the passage. This helps you think critically and recall information. Repeat this exercise daily. Let's practice with a short passage and one quick question. Many species of birds migrate thousands of kilometers each year. One of the most fascinating examples is the Arctic tern. It travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again, a round trip of about 70,000 kilometers. Scientists believe this long journey helps the bird stay in regions of constant daylight, giving it more time to feed and raise its young. Question: why does the Arctic tern migrate such long distances? A. To avoid cold weather. B. To find food and raise its young in daylight regions. C. To escape predators. D. To rest during the winter. Think about it. The correct answer is B. It migrates to stay in daylight regions where it can feed and raise its young. To recap, select a passage, set a timer, read, summarize, and answer. Want to take your TOEFL practice to the next level? Check out the Transform Academy course linked in the description box. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips.